Welcome back to the wood shop. Time for a video about I use the GVS Ellipse P100, and this is a great mask that helps to filter out a lot of the dust particulates that are going to be harmful. And I've been using it now for about 2 years. I think it's probably one of the better ones out there, and it's got the P100 rating. We need to do some maintenance on it because, as you can see, I've been using it a lot, and you can see there's some dustiness here, particulate matter in there. So we want to clean this out periodically. To separate this little nub there inside the mask, we just turn that, rotate it to separate. The same thing on the other side. It's a little bit dirty. Perfectly clean. Dirty on this side, and on this side it's still in great condition. Now there are two different types of filters. There's the regular filter that just filters out the dust, and then there's one that does more of a respirator function. That's $17.99. I keep an extra set of these on hand in case it's time to replace them. We're just going to use the vac. Better. It's not perfect, but there it's still perfectly clean. Now I'm going to take the other one. There's a little bit of damage. It's still perfectly clean. The way that I think about it is there may be damage here, and that could be an issue if there's some particulate matter on this side. Everything flows through the filter, so as long as we're not seeing particulate matter on the inside, we should be pretty good. Now it's just a matter of washing these and rub a lot of it off. Just scrub the exterior. I want to get underneath here as well. We're seeing some stress marks here. I don't know if you can buy replacements of these. Just to clean them up a little bit. Rinse it off really well. Dry everything up as we can. In here you want to get inside where the gaskets are. It's going to keep a bunch of water in there. Shove the towel in there. Check our assembly. Check for fit. Fits in there. Pull it up and slip it in. There we go. Lock this back in closed. Two straps. One goes on the bottom. That kind of goes around the base of your neck. Good, just like that. This one has writing on the strap, and there you go. Got it all assembled and looking like it's new again. This kind of procedure, generally speaking, will apply to any mask or any respirator that you have. Regular maintenance, maybe about once a month or so is a good amount of time to do this. So I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Please consider subscribing, and see you next time.